Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 628, maximum product of three numbers. This is a relatively simple, easy problem, so let's see how to solve it step by step. Our job is here in the title. We are given an integer array nums and we need to find three numbers with the maximum product. Finally, we have to return this maximum product. So if we're given this input, we can pick these three numbers and 2 times 3 times 4 is equal to 24. Given that this is the maximum possible product, we return 24. Now this array happens to be sorted and we only have positive numbers. That's why we can pick the three largest numbers and the corresponding product is the maximum possible product, meaning the result. But what if we have something like this? Now it's harder to see what are the three largest numbers, and even worse, we can have a negative number. So what if this is a -4 instead? Maybe you are thinking about iterating every combination of three different numbers, but this requires time complexity of big O of n to the power of 3, where n is the length of the array. So here we have the constraints and we know that the length of the array can be of up to 10 to the power of 4. And this to the power of 3 is a very large number which we can't handle, so we have to think about something else. Let's say that we're given this input. First we have to sort the array. After sorting we get an array with -4, 1, 2, and 3. Now how do we get the result? Here we don't care about this negative number. We can pick these three largest elements and the product would be the result. But what if this is a -1 instead? Now this would be a -1. So the maximum possible product would be given by -4 times -1, meaning 4, times the largest element, 3. And this would be 12. In this scenario, the result would be 12. The main question right now is how do we handle negative values? And the trick is the following. The maximum possible product of any array is given by either the three largest elements or the first two elements and the last element. So we take the maximum between the product of the first two elements and the last one, meaning -4 times -1 times 3, and the product of the last three elements, meaning the largest three elements, -1 times 2 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and -1 times 2 is -2, times 3 is -6. So the maximum would be positive 12. The final result in this case would be 12. And we can use this same idea for any possible array. Let's say once again that this number is positive, so here we have a positive 1. We keep the maximum between -4 times 1 times 3, the last element, and the three largest elements, 1 times 2 times 3. Here this part would be -12 and this part would be positive 6. The maximum is 6, so the result in this case would be 6. Now let's say that this is a positive 4. This would be the sorted array, so once again we can take the maximum between the product of these three elements, meaning 8, and the product of these three elements, meaning 24. The final result would be 24. And for the final scenario, let's say that all the elements are negative. Once again, we keep the maximum between the product of -4, -3, and -1, which is -12, and the product of -3, -2, and -1, which is -6. The maximum value would be -6. So this works every time. Time complexity for this solution is big O of n log n, which is given mostly by sorting the array that we are given. Space complexity would be big O of n because this is required for sorting in Python. So with this in mind, let's go with the code. This is a very short code. First we can sort the array and now we can just return the maximum value among our two scenarios. For the first one we do nums -1 times nums -2 times nums -3, the three largest elements. And for the second one, we take the first two elements and the last one. Nums 0 times nums 1 times nums at the last element, at the last index, sorry. This would be -1. So let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.